Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can enable or disable editing directly in cells. So this is in Microsoft Excel. So open your Microsoft Excel if you are already in your document. So if you want to enable or disable editing directly in your cells, for your cells, each cells right here on your Microsoft Excel, then you can simply do that. So if you want to enable it, just simply click on the file button right here at the top left corner, this one. And then you have to scroll down and you will find more. Then you have to click on options. And here you have to click for the Excel options. You have to click on advanced. And here under editing options, you will find this allow editing directly in cells. So if you want to enable editing directly in cells, then make sure this is enabled from here. You just need to check this box and then click on OK. And if you want to disable it because you don't want the editing in cells directly to happen, then you can simply disable that. Click on the File tab again, then you have to click on More, click on Options, and then you have to go to Advanced, and then simply uncheck this Allow Editing Directly in Cells, and then you have to click on OK, and that's it. So, by doing a very simple way, you can enable or disable editing directly in your Microsoft Excel sheets. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.